Okay, Kriti, as you said, this is your fourth attempt. I see since 2014, when you've completed your graduation, to now, you have been unemployed, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of unemployment is this called?
Frictional unemployment.
This is frictional unemployment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kriti, do you know what is demographic dividend?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, it is a situation in which the youth, the young population of a country is much more than the old population, and we can reap this dividend because of many people being in the working age group. Like India is experiencing this democratic dividend right now, and mostly it is said that it should not be converted into a demographic disaster.
What is a demographic disaster?
Ma'am, when there is lack of skills, because of which the jobs that will be provided to the youth will be less, or they will not be up to the mark.
Would you consider yourself a demographic dividend, part of a demographic dividend, or part of demographic disaster?
Ma'am, dividend.
Okay. I see you are from Delhi, whereas your father is from Lakhimpur. How is life different for a girl from Delhi and girl from Lakhimpur? Tell me two challenges that a girl from Delhi has and two challenges that a girl from Lakhimpur has.
Ma'am, I'll start with the girl from Delhi. The very first challenge and very saddening is the women's security. Especially after in the evening hours, this is the very first difficulty that a girl would face. And the second one would be, the health hazards. Because of air pollution and because of malnutrition, even in urban areas, there is more than malnutrition, there is obesity, ma'am. So health issues would be the second one.
Okay, and for Lakhimpur?
Yes, ma'am. For Lakhimpur, since it is not it's not a very urbanized area, so the first one would be discrimination that would be faced and male meta preference, ma'am. And the second one would be the lack of opportunities.
Okay, these days we hear this phrase called everyone's dollar, everyone's problem. Because you see, every country is trading in terms of dollar. So do you think only US should have the right to regulate dollar because it has kind of become international currency? What is your opinion on that?
Ma'am, it is very true that dollar has become the international currency, but it's not just US whose currency it is. So according to me, it should not only be regulated by US because then it will also give a sort of monopoly to the country. So